Hello friends, welcome to Fairs Cloud Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started the December month's topic wise current affair and today topic of discussion is obituary. So this is very important topic. The persons who were very famous and who died during the month of December 2022, we will discuss under this video. So very important for every exam. So watch this video till last and watch carefully. But first of all, you have to download our application Careers Cloud from the Google Play Store. After that, log in with your email ID. Then click on this Crack Current Affairs section to subscribe our current affairs for 1 year as well as for 2 years. Both the subscription prices are very much low. But the most important thing, what we are covering under this 1 year and the 2 year subscription, we are providing you daily section. In the daily section, you will receive 3 things. One is the detailed current affair. Second is the question and answer format of current affairs, but both will be provided in the form of PDF or in the form of ebook. And third is the quiz section, and this can be attempted only on our application on daily basis. Next is the weekly section. Again, we are providing 3 things. One is the detailed current affairs, second is the question and answer format, but both things will be provided in the PDF format, and third is the quiz section, which you can attempt on our application on weekly basis. Next is the monthly section, and in the monthly section we are providing you 4 type of PDFs. One is the detailed current affair PDF, which is known as study PDF. Next, all the detailed current affairs will be converted in the form of question and answer. That's why it is known as question and answer PDF, so that you can revise all the current affairs in the question and answer format. Next is the best 100 current affairs will be provided. That is also provided in the form of question and answer. And last is the pocket PDF. It means 1-liner, 2-liner, or the 3-liners current affair will be provided to you, so that you can revise these current affairs very quickly before your exam. Next is topic wise current affair. This is very important section because we are providing 20 most important topic wise PDF. If you want to revise 1 or 2 particular topics, then you can use this topic wise PDF. If you are a banking student, then we are providing 3 things. One is detail, second is question and answer format of current affairs, but only related to banking and economy, and third is the quiz section. It is also only related to banking and economy, and you can attempt this quiz section only on our application on monthly basis. Next is exam PDF. If you want to cover all the current affairs before your exam of particular year, then you can use this exam PDF. Next is special current affairs section. In the special current affair, we are providing you budget and economic survey. 2 things we are providing. One is detail, budget and economic survey. Second is question and answer format of budget and economic survey. It means you can recall that examiner can make these type of questions from budget and economic survey. If you are preparing for your respective state exam, then we are also providing state current affairs, and we are covering every state and union territory. So all these things comes under only one subscription. First of all, you have to just download our application Careers Cloud, then click on this Crack Current Affairs section, and you can subscribe for 1 year as well as for 2 years. And if you want 10% extra discount, then you can use this code ASH10. If you have any query, then you can email us on this email ID or you can call us on this number. So let's start the December month's topic wise current affair, and today topic of discussion is obituary, and here is the first question. Jiang Zemin, the former president of which country, passed away in the month of November 2022? So this is the keyword, Jiang Zemin. And Jiang Zemin, former president of China. Answer of this question is 3, who presided over more than a decade of the economic growth after the 1989 crackdown against the pro-democracy protest, passed away at the age of 96 in the Shanghai, China, and he died from the leukemia and the multiple organ failure. And Jiang Zemin served as the head of Communist Party from 1989 to 2002, and he served as the president of China from 1993 to 2003. So remember, Jiang Zemin, the former president of China, passed away. Moving to next question. Vikram S. Kirloskar, the dash of Toyota Kirloskar motor, passed away in the November 2022. Again, very important question, and he was the vice chairperson. So answer of this question is 4. So remember, Vikram S. Kirloskar, the vice chairperson of the Toyota Kirloskar motor, passed away at the age of 64 in Bengaluru, Karnataka. And Vikram Kirloskar, a 4th generation member of the Kirloskar Group, which was founded in 1888, served as the vice chairman of the Toyota Kirloskar Motor and chairman and the managing director of Kirloskar System Limited. And he was the president of Confederation of Indian Industry or CII from 2019 to 2020 and was currently the chairman of Confederation of Indian Industry Manufacturing Council or the CII Trade Fair Council and the chairman of Hydrogen Task Force. So just remember this name, Vikram S. Kirloskar, the vice chairperson of the Toyota Kirloskar Motor, passed away. Moving to next question. Film actress Jarna Das from Dash State passed away in December 2022. So remember, veteran Odia film actress Jarna Das passed away in Cuttack, Odisha. So answer of this question is 4, and she passed away at the age of 77. And she was born in 1945 and started her acting career in 1960s and also served as station director of the Doordarshan. And in 1997, Jarna Das received the state government prestigious Jaydev Puraskar or Jaydev Award for her lifelong contribution to the Odia cinema industry. And she won several prizes and the awards for her brilliant performances in films. Moving to next question. Renowned French author and Padam Bhushan awardee Dominique Lapierre was passed away in the month of December 2022. In which field did he receive the Padam Bhushan award from the Government of India in the year of 2008? And this was received in the field of social works. Answer of this question is 3. So, renowned French author and Padam Bhushan awardee Dominique Lapierre passed away at the age of 91, and he was born in 1931 in France. He authored a book titled as City of Joy. This is very important. City of Joy in 1985, describing the struggles of a rickshaw puller in Calcutta. It was made into a movie in 1992. And the Government of India honored him with the Padam Bhushan Award for social works in the year of 2008. Moving to next question. In December 2022, a noted economist and the former Union Minister Jogendra Kumar Singh or Y.K. Alag passed away. Y.K. Alag is an emeritus professor at the Sardar Patel Institute of Economic and Social Research, which is situated in which state? So it is situated in Gujarat. So answer of this question is 4. So a noted economist and the former Union Minister Y.K. Alag or Yogendra Kumar Alag, an emeritus professor at the Sardar Patel Institute of Economic and Social Research in Ahmedabad in Gujarat, passed away at the age of 83 in Ahmedabad. And Y.K. Alag was born in 1939 in the Punjab area of the British India, which is now in Pakistan. And he served as the Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Planning and Program Implementation, Science and Technology and Power during the 1996 to 98. And he served as the Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha from Gujarat from 1996 to 2000. And from 2006 to 2012, he served as the Chairman of the Institute of Rural Management in Anand, or which is also known as IRMA, Institute of Rural Management, Anand. Moving to next question. Kumble Sundar Rao, the senior Dash artiste and the former member of the Legislative Assembly from the Surathkal, Karnataka, passed away in December 2022. Just remember the question as same as in slide, and remember Kumble Sundar Rao, the senior Jakshgan artiste. So answer of this question is second, Jakshgan, and the former member of Legislative Assembly from the Surathkal in Karnataka, passed away in Mangaluru, Karnataka, and he was a native of the Dakshin Kannada in Karnataka. He was elected to the Karnataka Legislative Assembly in 1994 from the erstwhile Surathkal Assembly constituency in the Dakshin Kannada from the Bharatiya Janata Party. And he served as the first chairman of then Karnataka Jakshgan and the Bayalata Academy. Moving to next question. In December 2022, Padam Shri awardee and writer Manohar Devadas passed away. In which year did he receive the Padam Shri award from the Government of India? So very important, and he received in the year of 2022. So a renowned artist and writer, Padam Shri awardee Manohar Devadas passed away in Chennai, Tamil Nadu at the age of 85. And he was awarded with the Padam Shri in the year of 2020, which is India's 4th highest civilian award for his inspirational work in the art and charity. And Madras, remember Madras Inked, Impression of an Artist and an Architect, was his last book, which was co-authored by Sujata Shankar. Remember the name of the book, named as Madras Inked, The Impression of an Artist and the Architect. This was his last book. Moving to next question. Indian Olympian and Arjun awardee Kenneth Powell passed away in the month of December 2022. In which year did he receive the Arjun Award from the Government of India? And he received the Arjun Award in the year of 1965. Answer of this question is 3. So Kenneth Powell, the Olympian and India's 1970s Asian Game 4x100 relay bronze winning team member, passed away at the age of 82 in Bengaluru, Karnataka. And he was one of the top sprinters in India in 1960s. He was a member of the team that won the bronze in 1970 Asian Games in Bangkok. And he played a key role in the Indian 4x100 relay team reaching the semi-finals in 1964 Olympic Games in Tokyo. And he received the Arjun Award from the Government of India in 1965, and he was also awarded with the Victor Luderum 2 years in a row for the athletic abilities. Victor Luderum. Moving to next question. The Queen of Lavani, named as Sulochana Chauhan, passed away in December 2022. In which field did she receive the Padma Shri Award in the year of 2022? So, by the Lavani, you can remember that she received the Padma Shri Award in the year of 2022 in the field of art. So, Marathi actress and renowned Lavani singer Padma Shri awardee Sulochana Kadamji, well known as Sulochana Chauhan, passed away in Mumbai, Maharashtra. In March 2022, Sulochana Chauhan received the Padma Shri Award in the field of arts. And Sulochana Kadam was conferred with the title of Lavani Samradhini, which is Queen of Lavani, for her singing contribution to the art genre. And it was conferred by the Nobel Marathi Literature Prahlad Keshav Atreji. And Lavani is a genre music popular in the Maharashtra. Moving to next question. American documentary filmmaker and Oscar awardee Julia Bell Richard passed away in the December 2022. In which year did Julia Bell Richard received an Oscar award for the American Factory documentary film? And she received in the year of 2020. So answer of this question is 4. So American documentary filmmaker Julia Bell Richard, who won an Oscar in the year of 2020 for her documentary movie American Factory, passed away at the age of 76 in Ohio in the United States of America. And Julia Richard has been called a godmother of the US independent film movement. And Julia Richard, along with the Steven Bogner and the Zeph Richard, won the Best Documentary Feature for the American Factory at the 92nd Oscar in the year of 2020. And she has won 2 Primetime Emmy Awards. One is Outstanding Directing for a Documentary, which is American Factory in the year of 2020. And second is Exceptional Merit in the Non-Fiction Filmmaking for A Lion in the House in the year of 2007. Moving to next question. In December 2022, Abigail Kinyoki Kekaluke Kawanoka, last princess of Dash, passed away. So just remember, the name is difficult. Just remember 2 words. One is Abigail Kinyoki, and she was the last princess of Hawaii. Answer of this question is 3. So Abigail Kinyoki, the last Hawaiian princess, passed away at the age of 96 in Hawaii, and she was born in 1926 in the territory of Hawaii. And one palace named as Iolani Palace. Iolani Palace, the royal residence of the rulers of the Kingdom of Hawaii, is the only royal residence in the United States of America. Moving to next question. In December 2022, Padma Shri awardee and the Gamaka exponent H.R. Keshav Murthy passed away. In which year did he receive the Padma Shri award in the field of arts? So H.R. Keshav Murthy, a senior Gamaka exponent and a Padma Shri awardee, passed away in the Shivamogga Taluk in the Karnataka area. And Gamaka, also known as Kavya Vachana, which is an art form of the meaningful and melodious rendering of the verses from the classical epics that originated in the Karnataka. And in 2022, so answer of this question is 2. In 2022, the President of India honored him with the Padma Shri Award, which is India's 4th highest civilian medal, and also in the field of arts for his contribution towards preserving Kavya Vachana, a storytelling in the form of the art in the Karnataka. So remember, the name is H.R. Keshav Murthy. Moving to next question. Kaikala Satyanarayana has recently passed away. What was his profession? He was very famous Telugu actor. Answer of this question is 3. So remember, legendary Telugu actor Kaikala Satyanarayana, also known for his villain and the other character roles, passed away at the age of 87 in Hyderabad, Telangana. and he has acted in around 700 films and has received several awards including the 2011 Raghupati Venkat Award and the 2017 Filmfare Award for the Lifetime Achievement Award for the Telugu cinema and the Andhra Pradesh government Nandi Film Award. And he was selected to the 11th Lok Sabha as a member of parliament from the Machilipatnam representing the Telugu Desam Party or TDP and withdrew from the politics after 1998. Moving to next question. What is the name of England's legendary footballer who recently passed away and was a part of England's 1966 football world winning team? So this question is very important, and name of this personality is George Cohen. Answer of this question is 3. So England legendary footballer George Cohen, who was a part of England's 1966 football world winning team, passed away at the age of 83, and he was born in London in England, and he was born in 1939, and he was one of the only 3 surviving members of the World Cup winning squad along with Bobby Charlton and the Geoff Hurst. And in the year of 2000 he was awarded with the MBE for services to the football alongside 4 of his teammates including the Roger Hunt, Alan Ball, Ray Wilson and the Nobby Stiles in the 1966. So just remember, name of this England legendary footballer who recently passed away is George Cohen, who was a part of England's 1966 football's world winning team. Next question is, in December 2022, Pele, a 3-time FIFA World Cup winner, passed away. Which country did he represent at the FIFA World Cup? And name of the country is Brazil. I think every student know this. Answer of this question is 2nd. So former Brazilian footballer and the 3-time FIFA World Cup winner passed away at the age of 82 in the Brazil area. He was nicknamed as O'Ree. O'Ree stands for the King and fondly known as the King of Football. He holds the record for all-time leading scorer of the Brazilian national team with 77 goals, which he scored in 92 appearances. And he scored the most number of goals in the football history because he scored a total of 1283 goals in 1366 matches. And during his international career, he won the FIFA World Cup in 1958, in 1962 and in 1970, and he is the only men's footballer player to have won 3 FIFA World Cup titles. So this is all for today. I think you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video, and you can join our all platform like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Telegram channel. Telegram channel link is given in the description box. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye-bye.